So, to explain in my defense, I was walking around Walmart. I was like, well, let's go to the clearance section and just look around for some fun. I found a pair of rollerblades that I was like, you know, that just might have to be bought. And I found this. It was $16.86 and I could not say no. Obviously, it's like a child's sewing machine, so wow, this is like blinding light. Blinding. Don't know if this is actually going to work like at all, but hopefully it does. I was also going around Walmart and I was like, I need fabric, right? I found some fun fabric. Found this green color. And then I found this super cool dinosaur fabric. And I was like, honestly, these two colors, things couldn't go together better. My plan of attack, I want to make a set, like shorts and a top. I think I'm going to do like the dinosaur top, and then I'll do green shorts. I'm going to open this, and then we'll be back. So it took me about an hour to figure out how this thing works. And then I have to go get batteries because I didn't have AA batteries. So basically I've been doing nothing for this entire time. It's like an aux cord.
Why isn't anything happening?
Does it not work? I would scream right now. How does the foot pedal work? Where are the directions? These are not them, by the way. Don't call me dumb. Baxter, don't tell me you ate the directions. Oh, they're right over here. So after another half an hour of trying to finagle this bad boy, the foot pedal still does not work, which means that I'm just gonna have to hand crank it the entire time. I'm just gonna start, and I'll probably finish tomorrow. Okay, so I've decided. I'm not going to make shorts. I'm gonna make a skirt and a top because honestly, the shorts were gonna be way too much work. This will be a lot simpler, a lot easier, a lot more fun, fresh, kind of whoa. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have to sew across here, put this elastic band, which I cut out of those shorts, here, and like sew it from here to like here so it'll scrunch up, scrunch like that, and then this will be the back of the skirt. And then the front of the skirt won't have one of these, but it'll have like the same folded kind of thing, and it'll be, yeah! So basically monkey, but hopefully it works out. This is probably going to be either the best thing I've ever done or the worst. And honestly, it could go either way. Frickety frick. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You better not.
My camera's gonna die, I have to charge it. All right, I'm gonna charge my battery. I'm just gonna finish this up and then I'll start sewing. Oh my God, am I tilted? Am I tilted? I made some progress. I've sewed the top of the skirt on both sides. I'm sewing the hem right now. Eating a snack, you know how it is. It's taken me about 3 hours to just do this. I just want a cute outfit. Let me live my life. Because of this dumb little pump. This idiot. This dumb, I'm sorry. I did not mean it. I mean, I did, but this is as fast as I can go. I just keep chomping down on that. Real efficient, if you ask me. Getting a good workout, this motion, I'm gonna have, what's that wrist disease? It's like Arnold Palmer. I don't even know. It's like, I feel so dumb when I remember. What is the carpal tunnel? Yeah, I'm gonna get that because of this dumb idiot thing. I'm trying to do something right now. Be super cool if you could like butt out. My wrist hurts so bad, and it just hurts really bad after I do like 3 stitches. Yeah. What do you think you're doing? Get that paw off the couch. You know you're not allowed to put your paws up here. This is a no paw zone. The sewing machine comes with this little box. You open it up. Oh, it's got thread and some bobbins. Extra bobbins. Bobbins. This is the best part of the sewing machine. Also,
I made it worse of everything.
Thinking of making this fabulous fashion headband. It would definitely not fit my head. Oh, well, it's made for a child. But don't kids have big heads too? They're unproportional. in the last part I filmed, I'm pretty sure I was like, oh, I gotta fix this. Maybe I whispered it to myself, like, oh, this doesn't match up, I gotta fix this, right? Well, I didn't fix it, so I had to take out the entire row that I had done, and now I'm redoing it, and like, my wrist actually hurts so bad, so bad, so bad. So I'm just twisting along, trying to get through it. All I know is that crazy art needs to stop going crazy, stop going stupid, and make that goddamn pedal work. Can't wait to get some carpool karaoke, everyone. Let's get some carpool karaoke over here. I sewed up one side of the skirt, and then I sewed up half the other side because I'm gonna put the zipper on the side, and then hopefully I'll be done. I still have to put the ziplock. I still have to put the, what is it? The elastic band. I still have to put the elastic band in here, but we're basically done, so get excited, get excited. They have to eat, otherwise he's gonna start screaming at me, aren't you? I just wanted to say that, like I made this. If I had a fully functional sewing machine and like more fabric, I'd be unstoppable. Like Aeropostale, watch out, honey. You've been going out of business for years, but I'm gonna make it happen. But seriously, if I had a sewing machine that was for children above the age of 12, yeah, I'd be doing some things. I also just want to show you like how I'm getting the elastic in here. So I made a small
Incision.
Why do I look like this? I'm threading the elastic through the channel to the end here, and then I'm gonna sew it to this point, and then I'm gonna thread the rest of it through the rest of the channel, and then sew it at this point so that it'll be like elastic. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've lost a bunch of needles, and like I don't know where they are. What I'm thinking is like a top with straps, and that's all I have. Stop. Oh my god. So what I'm thinking is a shirt that like goes like this, right? And then in the back where it like connects, there's gonna be like a little bit of space, and then I'm gonna sew on like strips of dinosaur maybe, and then it'll like tie in the back, and I'll have a few of those. Yeah, that's super cute. So I'm gonna figure out how to do that and get back to here. This is the shirt so far. I put some darts, which are like things I'm gonna sew basically to make it more tight, and I have to sew this side, but basically this is what it looks like. I did the hem up here. I'm gonna have to shorten it and make a hem down here, so I'm gonna have to finish this tomorrow. Wow, I did that. Okay. Right now it's noon and I'm eating breakfast because I woke up at 10 and then I spent about 2 hours on TikTok and Instagram. I'm not proud of it, but it happened. Today I'm going to be finishing up the outfit. I do not want to do this for another day, so if you're watching this and would like to buy me a sewing machine, please do. Alright, so it is, I don't even know what time it is. It's been 2 episodes of The Flash, so it's been about an hour and a half. I think 2 episodes, maybe 3. Oh my god, I don't know what time it is. I finished like most of the top, pretty much. This is basically what it's gonna look like. I'm going to add like some green string kind of on the back here so I can tie it closed. And then I was thinking maybe I'll do like I go outside. She never does that. What I'm gonna do to get the, like, tie the ribbon, I don't know, is I'm gonna cut like a strip of fabric, fold it in half, sew up the side, turn it inside out, sew the 2 ends, and voila. I did it. I did it. I finished the shirt. It looks like the top of an apron, and honestly, I'm not mad about it. In the back, it just ties up here. Let's go. This is the final look. So, I love this dinosaur shirt so much, except the only thing I have a problem with is my hemming. The skirt came out awesome. It still is a little bit big, so I could go in and like fix something. Seriously though, how did I do this? I literally made this with this. Wait, no, I made this with this. Hello, can I be your spokesperson? Like, buy this now, but make sure the foot pedal works because you'll get carpal tunnel. I'm gonna style it up a bit, and then we'll hit the town, ladies and gentlemen. I thought I just heard someone. You gotta check behind me. You're my eyes and ears on this operation. Hi. Should we go outside or upstairs? Comment down below. Wow, an outstanding amount of people want me to go outside, so that's what I'm doing. All of Costco can see exactly what I look like. Can you see Costco? Oh, there's so many dang trees. Hey, can't live with them, can't live without them. Am I right, ladies? Ooh, it's a New Jersey truck. New Jersey sucks. Well, I'm sorry, but you do. Hi, bird. Do you like my outfit? Bird, come back. I'm getting my mail now. I'm inside. I feel weird. I'm talking. It's coming. Scooch over. Hey, ladies, let's play some shuffleboard. Ooh, hey, bird. How do you like my outfit? Can you please give me a scale on a scale of 1 to 10? Okay, never mind. Another bird. Hi, bird. Okay. Ooh, cardinal. I think. It's a red bird. Maybe it's a red robin. Is that a real bird? I thought robins were blue. Red robin, yum. I stink balls. Oh, watch out. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If I should do another video like this, someone needs to buy me a wrist compression thing. I don't really know. Just someone pay for my medical expenses. I did that. Like, wow. Like, wow. And it's not like falling apart or I'm worried I'm gonna break it. Like when I wore the, you can see it there, the Khaleesi outfit, it was very badly put together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment what I should do next. And I'll see you next time.